So it's Wednesday morning. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. The harbour's all nice and calm. And I've just had a shower and I feel more human. It was a lovely run from Scarborough. I really enjoyed that run up from Scarborough. Didn't like the run to Scarborough. First bit I enjoyed. Second bit, nah. It was got that wrong. The weather was not what we forecast to be when we made the plan, and I checked it the night before and it was still showing okay, but no, on the day it was really rough, as you will have seen. Anyway, let's look to the future. I'm going to spend a few days here in Whitby, and then we'll check and make our plans, because this weather won't last. We've got about 3 days of summer and then back into autumn, I think, by the look of it. But hey, it's the weather and it changes by the hour. So out of any trips to Whitby, this is a bit we'd never seen before, and it was, said it earlier, it was really cool coming in. Really enjoyed it. It's a beautiful little town, is Whitby. So these are the famous 199 steps in Whitby.
47 steps up.
And a long way to go.
Look how calm it is out there.
And Janet stopped. And she's made it up. She's got here. So, grounds of Whitby Abbey. That's not a quick way down.
No, it's not that far.
With Whitby Abbey overlooking the town from the west cliff top. This was an ideal location for Bram Stoker to come up with Dracula. Bram wasn't originally from Whitby. He was Irish, came from Dublin. I'm into my sort of hell right now. Long grass, hay fever. The place I could recommend is the Greedy Pig. That's if you like crispy pork. And watch out for Arguments Yard. Always plenty going on around the port in Whitby. So we've got Rob and Anita here from Whitby, a couple of our viewers. It's always nice to see new faces and people that look at our channel. So it's just gone 6:30 this morning. Breeze is getting up, so we're going to go early. Probably miss Brunswick Bay and go straight to Hartlepool. We'll see what conditions are like.
Okay, bring them in now. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So bye bye Whitby for now. We will be back here. Quite busy last night, quite a lot of yachts in. We ended up with one rafted up alongside us overnight. They've set off this morning ahead of us about half an hour. We changed our plans. We were going to go to Brunswick Bay, but I think the wind is building all day, so we can make Hartlepool nicely from here before end of morning penning. Janet's not happy this morning. We've set off a bit early and she hasn't had a coffee yet, and I've made her work. Well, isn't it typical? Beautiful day yesterday, absolute flat calm conditions, and today it's not. It's not bad, but yes, I think we're right to just hit it and get to Hartlepool without stopping at Brunswick. Looks okay in there, but these conditions are going to build all day long, so let's just get where we want to be, and then we'll sit out this bad weather for a few days.